Hey guys, so my mom gave me these strawberries and that screaming strawberry cake. So let's make a delicious one. I'm googling for 2 excellent recipes to see how they make it. Sally's Baking Edition and Sugar Geek Show look excellent. Little you know, but I grew up poor, so my food has to be simple, easy to make, affordable, and healthy. Last but most importantly, it's gotta be delicious. I have absolutely no doubt these 2 recipes make delicious strawberry cakes. Just look at their ratings. However, I just have to make my own recipe because I want to eat good, but my body also needs to feel good. And of course, cheaper is always welcomed. Preheat oven to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking cake at 335 instead of 350 helps reduce the height of the cake dome. Spray 2 9-inch cake pans with cooking spray and flour the inside of the pan. No need to line with parchment paper. Tap and rotate the pans to distribute the flour evenly. Discard the excess. Zest 1 large lemon. Lemon zest adds excellent flavor in any baked goods. Now is our store of this cake. Strawberries. We need 1 pound of strawberries. Now, most recipes that use fresh strawberries will call for a strawberry reduction.
I'm gonna go reduce them down on the stove. We're just gonna set the stove to medium to low heat, stir it occasionally, reducing the strawberry puree down.
Well, I want it to be simpler and faster, so what I do is chopping and mashing, then using it raw. Yeah, you may call me a barbarian. Simply trim off the stems, cut and chop the strawberries into small bits. Then mash with a potato masher to release the juices. The more mashed they are, the better, but just do the best you can. Add in the lemon zest. Now add the rest of ingredients for the batter. Start with 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and ½ cup of canola or vegetable oil, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional of 4 to 5 drops of red food coloring to achieve that visual appealing for our strawberry cake. Now we just mix our wet ingredients on medium speed for just about 15 seconds. Here's a big part. Typically, other bakers will either sifting or whisking their dry ingredients together in a separate bowl. They then divide the dry ingredients into many parts and mixing them into the wet ingredients slowly. It sounds like a lot of work to me, and their results still turn out to be like this. Should a red cake have that many large holes and tunnels? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, we skip all that. Simply add 2 cups of flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Mix up on medium speed for just about 1 minute. Simple as that. Scrape the side with a spatula, then stir up. Pour and divide the batter into the prepared pans. A few taps to pop large bubbles. Bake in preheated oven for 24 to 28 minutes or until toothpick test comes out clean. While waiting for the baking, it's a good time to take out the butter to leave in room temperature. They look perfect. Now we leave the cakes in the pans for 5 minutes before removing them from the pans. Let cool down to room temperature before frosting. Once our cakes are completely cooled down, we make our simple but so buttery and delicious buttercream frosting. Let's start out with 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Make sure it is room temperature. Beat on medium for 15 seconds. Add a total of 3½ cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of milk. Beat until reach the right consistency. Add more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time if the frosting is too thick for your liking. The total beating time should take just about 3 minutes or so. Almost, honey. It's time to frost. I'm excited. Frosting time. Simply have a layer of frosting in between the cake layers, then cover the rest with the remaining frosting. Obviously, the more you do, the better you get at doing it. I'm just doing a simple rose on the top just for decorating, nothing special. Simply spin and scrape. Now to the side, doing the same thing, spin and lightly scrape up. Voila, we're done. Beautiful. It is so ready. Let's go. First cut. Second cut. Nice. Perfect. Look at this. Moist and beautiful. Well, I'm just gonna dig in. Wow, so good. Moist and tender, not overly sweet, and the strawberry flavor is so potent. There you have it, the easiest, fastest, cheapest, healthiest, simplest, but tastiest strawberry cake is right here. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.